friends, welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today is your birthday. I hope it is, because birthdays are so fun. It is Tuesday here. I'm just sort of collecting all of my drinks for the morning. We have quite a few. I'm throwing some Airborne into a glass of water here because Connor's not been feeling well. Not COVID, he got tested, it's all good, but just a little bit of a cold, so I'm trying to avoid getting that cold, and we are trying to cure his. He's feeling a lot better today, which is great. So we have him all contained in the bedroom. We're trying to keep all the germs in there, and I luckily don't feel like I've caught anything yet, except for the Vegas flu, because I am feeling so dry after Vegas. I can't even tell you. Like, there's literally just no moisture left in my body. I have these little eye patches on because I woke up so swollen. It was disgusting. I don't know why. I don't know how. I've never been this dehydrated before. I don't think ever. I mean, I drank so much water yesterday and it just, I still am not good. Vegas was so much fun though. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't even tell you. We ate freaking amazing food. Oh God. We went to Carbone and man, did it live up to the hype. It was freaking, just so good. I can't even describe it because it was so amazing. Went to such a cool speakeasy. We did karaoke for like 4 hours straight in a karaoke room. It was a time, but it was a very, very fun time. And now T-minus like 3 days until I'm off on my next trip to Toronto. So I think tomorrow Connor and I have to go and get COVID tested. It sucks that Connor had to do that because we have to get tested before going to Canada, but oh well. So we're doing that, I think, tomorrow. That way we can make sure we have time for the results to get back. And we're off on a long adventure. There's gonna be lots of Toronto vlogs. I'm actually there right now when you see this. So you can go check me out on Instagram and have a look at what I've been up to. Also, I have like a whole Vegas highlight in there. It was so fun dressing up for Vegas too. Like, you guys know I'm pretty low maintenance. I don't really like do that much. I don't go that hard when it comes to like my appearance. I'm just more of a natural gal, but it was very fun dressing up, doing the full makeup, the tan, the hair. My hair is like slowly getting curly again. The curls are coming back, but I don't think I'm gonna wash it until like Thursday night before we go to Canada, just because one, it won't need it. It's not gonna be greasy literally at all. My hair does not get greasy. It's just dry, just like the rest of me apparently. And also I just want my curls to look really nice and fresh for getting into Canada. So anyway, should be a lot of fun. I'm really, really looking forward to it. I can't wait to see Tara. I can't wait to see Connor's family. I can't wait to see so many of Connor's friends. It's gonna be amazing. I literally haven't seen Connor's family since I was 25 years old. It's a long time ago. 25 sounds like far away. Even though it's not that far, it sounds pretty far. We have our Airborne. This is just like vitamin C and a ton of other vitamins and minerals. I just don't love the taste of orange or like citrusy things too much. So I really like this berry flavor Airborne. We have a chai, our little Les Mis mug today. And then, of course, just some water. I literally just have all of these beauty products sitting out here because this is what I've been doing all day. Just trying to lather my face in moisture so that it can stop physically hurting, because that's how dry it is. It physically hurts. So we're gonna continue with this today. Oh my God, you guys. I have been the worst vlogger today. I am so sorry. I literally only vlogged once this morning and now it's 4 p.m. I didn't show you my lunch, nothing. But I have just been out of it today. It has not been a super productive day. I got my editing done, which is good. It was sort of like the main goal for the day. But I am still falling apart from Vegas. Like, look at this. This is not a zit. That's just a dry patch. What is that? Look under my eye here. It's getting so much worse. And my skin just like physically hurts because it's so dry. It's so uncomfortable. I've used every mask, cream, everything that I have. It's horrible. So here's my current plan. First of all, I'm looking into how I can get an at-home IV drip because I feel like I've reached a point where I just need like hydration inserted directly into my veins. We are just there, you know? But in the meantime, while I wait to try to figure that out, see if it's a possibility, I need to do something else because I'm just in pain and it's getting worse. I can't believe, I literally just looked in the mirror and couldn't believe how my under eyes looked. I'm literally shook. My skin has never looked this way before in my whole life. So here's the plan. I'm gonna hop in the shower, just like get a good rinse, just sort of like cleanse, start over. And then I think I'm gonna steam my face, see if that helps. And then, yeah, I paid literally extra to get these hydration masks delivered to me on Sunday. And now it's Tuesday and they're still not here. So that's great, but it does say they're out for delivery. So hopefully by the time I'm done with all of that, they're here. And I can put one of those on because that was really helpful to me when I had my sunburn. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys in the loop with all my little treatments here because it's not going great.
Ooh, did you look up Upgrade Labs?
No. Okay, great news, guys. Connor found a place for me to go, like right now. I have to call my Uber, basically. Let's see how far away it says they are. I'm going to the hydration room in Santa Monica. We are off. Let's go try to fix this. For Jill? Great. Well, that was a lovely time. I guess I can take my mask off. I'm outside now. Still, obviously, patchy, but they said by tomorrow I should be able to see a noticeable difference. So still go home, shower, steam, like do all the stuff that I was thinking about doing anyway, but hopefully that makes a big difference for me because I'm tired of looking crusty. I ended up getting the one that's like really good just for your skin in general. They said it's good for clearing up blemishes, so that'll be good. Hopefully I can clear up some of these breakouts. That's like a little bit more than I wanted to spend just to like not be dehydrated anymore, but desperate times call for desperate measures. Like I didn't know what else to do at this point. Yeah, and the girl said that she gets really bad eczema around her eyes, which like is essentially what I'm dealing with here. Not nearly as bad, obviously, and that the treatment that I got really helps her with it. So if it can help with eczema, I hope that it can help clear up my Vegas dry skin. We're home, we're showered, and I just stood in there for a nice long time, let my face just sort of steam in there. I made it really hot, it felt very good. And now I'm just gonna put some hydrating stuff on my face and hope for the best here. First up, my fave, and I'm almost out of it. The Dr. Dennis Gross Hydration Booster. This has just like hyaluronic acid in it. It's really nice, super light. My skin just like absorbs it really, really quickly. It feels really good. Drunk Elephant Hydration Serum on top of that. And then lastly, the matching moisturizer to that hyaluronic acid serum I used. Also, almost out of this, so I need some more of this too. These are like my favorite hydrating products, so I've been using them pretty heavily. Sorry that you have to look at my face like all beat up today. I feel like I'm just like a little stressed and overwhelmed as well because we leave so soon and I'm going for a long time. So I just feel like there's a lot to do, a lot to figure out, a lot to sort out, and we're traveling in just a few days. Tomorrow's gonna be a really busy day. I'm very excited, don't get me wrong, but it is a little bit stressful. I'm just feeling overwhelmed. My body's falling apart. Is not a good vibe over here right now. It's been a weird day. It's been a very, very weird day. Sorry I haven't been vlogging much. I mean, there hasn't been much to vlog in fairness, but just one of those days, I suppose. But for dinner tonight, Connor and I are making our little at-home sushi. We're gonna do it with like some cooked salmon, so it won't be as good, to be honest, because raw fish is superior to cooked fish in my humble opinion. It will still, of course, be delicious. I'm really looking forward to that. So, okay, dinner courtesy of Connor. Thank you, babe, for making dinner tonight.
Of course. Return serve for all the what you did last night.
Yes.
And just taking care of me in general for yesterday.
As I said, happy to. Makes me happy. So we have salmon, which we marinated all day in soyaki. So very excited for that. These are pork dumplings, I believe. Cucumber or seaweed, kimchi.
Gyoza dumplings.
Or
I guess
rice.
gyoza.
Yeah, gyoza.
There you go.
Gyoza and dumplings are the same.
I get it.
Yeah, you got it. Good morning, friends.
Good morning,
everyone. It is the next day, and Connor and I decided that we wanted to go on a little walk this morning with our coffees. Let's get out of the house, get some fresh air. It had been a little while, so.
I feel like I've been a little MIA.
Yeah.
Couple days.
Yeah, exactly. Not feeling well, but
back at it.
We're back at it. We have a sort of busy day today. Like, we just have a lot of stuff that we have to get done for Toronto. Yeah, and then on top of that, just the normal work stuff. I actually have a lot of stuff to do for my client today. It's gonna be a really client heavy work day. Just wanna knock out a bunch of stuff there and just get it over with. I also somehow totally got off my vlog schedule and didn't have enough vlogs for this week when I'm recording this, which is so weird. I don't know how or why I did that, but apologies for only having 2 videos. I would have just like moved all the videos up one, but with going to Toronto, I want to make sure I'm backlogged enough there that I'm not like missing uploads while I'm there. So anyway, sorry about that. I don't know what happened. All right, Connor and I are having these Suja immunity shots. We've just been like trying to load up on vitamin C, any sort of immunity stuff, just to try to make sure I don't get sick and that he doesn't get more sick. Cheers. Ugh. Oh, the turmeric one is so brutal. All right, vitamin C. All right, off to work. Literally, catch me doing this all day long. I'm gonna put some eye cream on, another eye patch. I need some moisturizer. I need to chug water. I need my skin to like get its ish together. Definitely so much better than it was yesterday, but it's not 100% at all. I don't know what the hell happened to me, you guys. I've literally never had my skin react this way. Jeez. My forehead is feeling better, but like this part of my face, not good. I'm just using some of these eye patches from the Now. Let's dive into this, shall we? All right, lunchtime here, and I'm actually going to have some of this curry chili type of thing. Actually, my hairdresser, Sammy, gave this to me today. She swung by because she let me borrow a hair straightener when I was in Vegas, and she was like, I made a ton of this and thought I would bring you some. So fucking kind. So I'm just gonna heat this up. Oh, it smells amazing. I'm so excited. Check this out, you guys. I'm ready to ask her for this recipe because that will be perfect for like some fall vibes. Look at how delicious this looks. Oh my gosh. Get a little dollop of sour cream in there. How amazing does this look? I can't wait. I am so excited. Mix the sour cream in. Absolutely heavenly. You best believe I will be getting this recipe. And now I'm just going to throw on some, I think, Bachelor in Paradise while I enjoy my lunch. Just out on a walk. I just finished getting my COVID test for flying to Toronto, so I'll get those results back tonight or tomorrow morning, something like that. It's like 16 hours, so we shall see when it actually comes through. But just went to Same Day Health in Venice. That's always where I go, and it's super convenient and easy. And now I'm just going to stop by CVS. I have to grab a couple things for the house. That way when Andrew's staying with Molly Cat, he has everything he needs. By the way, I don't think I mentioned that, but Andrew's going to be staying at our apartment. Oh no, maybe I did mention that this morning. Anyway, he's gonna stay at our place and watch Molly for us, which is very generous. All right, all done CVS. Sorry I didn't vlog in there. First of all, I was carrying so much shit with me. It was very hard to balance. And also, it is the most chaotic and crazy CVS. The one near us is just freaking out of control. It's very annoying having to go in there. Everyone's very rude. It's so small. They like barely have any products. It's really crazy. Alrighty, made it back home and it's 5 p.m. so I'm just hopping into my workout class now and I'm running late, so that is all I'm going to say because I don't want to hold up the whole class waiting for me. There he is. Hi. We have gone a little overboard with the drinks here. We're at Jameson, so it's happy hour, buy one, get one. And I didn't realize that also applied to shots, but apparently it does. So we have a whole lot of picklebacks here. I got a vodka soda. Connor got tequila soda. What did you get? It's a lot of sodas. Cheers.
Pickle juice is really good.
It's amazing. Well, friends, I feel like I did a terrible job vlogging this entire video, so I hope you loved it anyway. I don't know. I don't know where my head has been. I just have not been on it this week, but thank you guys for watching this one anyway. As you can see, I'm still waking up very puffy, but thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.